Hi everybody, welcome back to the 2-minute tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a decorated swag like these. Now to begin with, what you need is a green swag. This is a miniature swag. It's wider in the middle and it tapers off to both ends. Now you need to spend about 5 minutes fluffing this out to get this shape. Now these are great for putting above windows, doorways. You can even use them on bookcases. Now they're very easy to manipulate, so you can actually bend them like that to create a 90-degree angle and use that on your bookcase just at the corner. But today I'm going to show you how to make a copy of this swag, the red and gold one. And to do that, you'll need to take 2 of these red metallic leaves and 2 of the gold metallic leaves. Now first of all, create a bit of space within your swag. Lay the metallic leaves into the swag. Use the tips of the greenery to secure them. Later on, when you're happy with the placement, you can actually cable tie them into the swag if you want to. So there's the red. I'm going to add the gold at the top. Then I'll add another red, this top corner on the opposite side. And a gold one to balance it on the bottom side. Once you're happy with that placement, then you can add some baubles. So I like to use a bit of contrast, so I go for a shiny and a matte. Just look for the spaces in between the leaves and then twist your wire around the tips of the greenery. So you probably need 4 on that side, 4 on that side. And it's as easy as that. Now, a nice finishing touch is to add copper wire battery lights to your swag, just like I've done on this one. And in the evening, that will look really beautiful. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.